Got a need for speed and a love for building? Check out this incredible 1690-piece racing car micro building block set. A detailed V12 sports car model you assemble piece by piece. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, this micro block set offers a challenging and rewarding build. It's perfect for ages 14 and up, great for teens, adults, or anyone who enjoys precision assembly. Once finished, you'll have a stunning, display-worthy model that looks amazing on a desk, shelf, or in any collection. No batteries or tools needed, just your focus and creativity. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a building block collector, or looking for a unique gift, this set delivers hours of immersive fun and a proud finished piece. Ready to start building your own race car masterpiece? Check the link in the description below to buy this micro building block set now. Thanks for watching, and build, display, and enjoy.